Good morning. It's August 3rd, 2026, 9:40 a.m. I starting a little late because making some changes, some bug fixes that we found yesterday or on Friday. The biggest change that I'm excited about is I can control the chart using an Xbox controller. Why do I need that? Because why not? No, the actual reason is I have really bad RSI, repetitive stress injury from typing so much. And doing it from an Xbox controller is just easier on it. Aggravates it less. I want to do a sell order. Let's do a virtual short. But yeah, other than that, like just made some other bug fixes like the recording, how changes weren't showing up. And that turned out really lucky. That was pretty lucky. All right, we'll take that. But I think today is going to be bug fixes. I mean, and I'm going to want to implement some other stuff. Like the virtual limit orders are working great, but I now that I'm thinking about it more, like I'm super impulsive. It's hard for me to wait for the right setup. Like I want okay, so I want the normal orders, like the normal buy sell orders like we have right now. In addition, I want like a virtual order. I don't know if calling them virtual is like the right word because all these orders are technically virtual. But like I until I figure out a better name for them, I'm gonna keep calling them virtual. Um, but I want a virtual order. So like, hold on a second. But like, I want to be able to like say I want to buy or sell at a certain time in the chart or a certain place in the chart. And then I want that to kind of like go into, I guess, not really a queue because I'm going to be impulsively pressing buy and sell and stuff like that. But I want the bot to like kind of take that into consideration and then wait for the best setup. So I guess the simplest is just to have it wait for the momentum to go in the right, to shift in the right direction. And that might, like, that's what we're doing for the virtual limit orders. So we might do that. And then later you could expand on it to try to see if you can get better results with giving the bot more I don't know, intelligent means of placing orders. But I don't know, just thought. I'm testing the controls using the Xbox controller. It's awesome. This is what I needed. This is so much easier than the mouse controls. Now, I need a button that will basically, when I press it, it will take me back to start, like the current time. So I want to like be able to press a button now to where when I press it, it will, so like say I'm all the way up here and I press this button, it will snap the camera back like down to here. That's what I need now. I think pressing, I don't know, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, I guess. Just implemented the return to live button. That last order turned out great. Now what I need is, I need to be able to flatten positions. I need to be able to press a button to flatten open positions. So I'm thinking, I want to be able to press like B, and that will flatten open positions. I guess I tried to zoom out by pressing the left trigger, and but that's the sell command. That wouldn't have been good. So now what's it gonna do? Okay, so now here's what we need. So like we have the normal buy sell, we have the virtual limit orders. Now I want a virtual order. Actually, what we need is I need something that informs me what order type is currently equipped. as dumb as that sounds. But that's what we need. So like I need to see that the normal order type is equipped somewhere, or the virtual limit orders is equipped somewhere. And I need to be able to change the order type by pressing Y, right? And then if I try to do a virtual limit order, it will basically let me place the limit order wherever using the joysticks or whatever. So I gotta get that change going. I guess what I was asking for is already implemented. So if you look here to the right of this sim thing, I want to make sure, yeah, the right of the, like this says market is selected. I press Y, it changes to V limit. So like, I wonder what happens if I try to do a V limit order. That's not a good place to put it. No. No, that's bad. That needs some work. So here's the issue. So like, if I do V limit, it just places it wherever my mouse was at. It doesn't let me control it from the controller. So I need to figure that out. All right, the virtual limit order changes should be implemented. Let's see. Y still cycles. So I want to do sell. And it's still expecting the mouse to be on the screen. Is that me or the bot? That was a... I don't know, I'm gonna let the bot do its thing right now. Well, I should be able to enter stuff in. Let's see. I think that was me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close that. Well, I should have left it open, I guess. So now it's going to go down. But yeah, it's not working. Okay, so the changes for the virtual limit order stuff should be in. I press the left trigger, so I have virtual limit order equipped. Press left to arm it, and then I can modify where to place it using the D-pad. Yeah, I think that's a good place. I'm gonna press A to place the virtual limit order. So basically, when it gets up to here, yeah, that should work. But I feel like that's a bad place to place a virtual limit order, actually, because I think it's gonna. So placing a long, but I want a market order because I actually think it's going to break through that. Now, virtual limit order, I want to, nope. What the heck? What just happened? So I guess that turned out lucky, but let's do this. Then I want to go ahead and I want to do a market order because I think it's gonna do like a breakout. I don't know why my recording stopped, but it seemed like that, like I was saying, now I need a way to cycle through my virtual limit orders that I have open in order to modify them, right? That's what I need. All right, just implemented these, being able to cycle through and modify these stops, virtual limit orders. I wonder if it works if I have market equipped. Yeah, so it shouldn't work when the market thing is equipped. But now here's my next question. If I'm out of view of it, if I hit X, try to cycle through, okay, so it should snap me to it. And then also it thinks there's 3. If you look down here, now why does it think there's 3? I don't know. The voice recording stops when I refresh. But so the virtual market order should be implemented. There we go. Okay, so I want to do virtual buy. Yeah, I want to do a virtual buy. So it should wait. It just basically treats it like a virtual limit order, I guess. Which is fine. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Oh, I guess that was a loss. That recorded as a loss and a profit. Like, what the heck? No, it says it recorded as a loss of 80 cents. So let's try a virtual sell market order. That was a bad place to put an order in, I guess. So the reason why I put it in a buy order there is because we're close to a couple resistance points and I was hoping for a breakout. It's thinking. Yeah, crap. Come on, we're so close. Come on. You want to go up. You know you do. You want to go up. Just think of that breakout. Let's go up. It wants to go up. I know it does. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on. You want to go up. You know you do. But, oh, my take profit is way up there. But I do think we're going to break out. Okay. I'll take that. That wasn't a huge breakout, but it's good enough. And I canceled at the right time. I flattened at the right time. I don't know why it placed a take profit way up there, but I don't know. But no, that's working great. Yeah, I don't know. I really want to walk away. Like the Sharps ratio is great. I'm in the green. You know what? Buy. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. Let's see, what other changes? I guess it'd be nice if I could press a button on my controller to start an audio recording so I don't have to click it every time with my mouse. I might do that next. Awesome. All right, so I guess I can press down on the left joystick and that will enter an audio recording. Now I'm going to test stopping the audio recording by pressing down on the left joystick. Yeah, looks like it works. Also, another note, I was looking at the videos that from the last couple of sessions, and the numbers on the end screens, they seem a bit off to me. So like the P&L graph and the statistics that was being shown, they seem a little off. I'll have to look into that, but I think that's, I don't know, they looked off to me, and I guess that's what you get for relying on Claude to cook up numbers for you. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. I might have to re-upload those videos. All right, so menu button. There we go. Yeah, okay, because I know I'm going to need that. And then how can I exit the menu button? I mean, exit the help menu. I guess B. I really want to walk away. Like some of the orders the bot puts in, I don't know. They really should wait for the momentum to shift. Because like the bot put in that long order when the momentum was down. I don't know. But I think I just let the bot do its thing. Market's not, it's just not really doing much. The price action is just not really doing much right now. Kind of frustrating. This is killing me. Look at this. It's like a T. It's like, all right, I'm gonna leave it to the bot now. See what happens. Yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna call it. I got pretty lucky on that last one again. Couple of issues we found today. We actually have a pretty high win rate today, like around 60% at least. But they're usually the profit from, I mean, I guess, I don't know, like the profit, we had a high win rate and we generally made money today, but there was a time where like two orders caused us to lose around $180 of our profits. Part of that was my fault. I doubled down on a losing position, but I kind of ended up having to rework the exit strategies to better protect against big gotta better protect against that, because like, yeah, if we have a high win rate, we can afford to have a smaller take profit and stuff like that. But like, I don't know, $180 over 2 trades, that's while we're averaging like $14 per winning trade. That math didn't really add up. But I don't know. We're still, I mean, another profitable day, around 312. I'll take that. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.